up, y'all? Welcome back to AJ Reacts 2. Today we're trying strange snacks. Number 1, the deep dish Giordano's pizza. Giordano's is one of my favorite pizza places of all time. I don't know how they're gonna put all that flavor in one chip, but let's try it. Smells like deep dish. Oh. That's good. I could eat these all day. Lay's is doing this thing where they're doing Taste of America. And what that is, they take suggestions from fans of what different flavors they should have. This one was a hit. I love these. Number 2, wavy bacon wrapped jalapeno popper. That's a mouthful. I'm not a fan of wavy chips, but this flavor sounds dope. Cheers. It's got an okay flavor, but the wavy chip is throwing it off for me. If I didn't know what the flavor was, I would have just said it was bacon. It's got a tiny hint of pepper in it, but not very much. This one was just okay for me. Now this sounds simple, sounds straightforward, but I don't know about a flavor of a chip. Ketchup? I don't know. Let's try it. I would have to say this one is my favorite. This one's the winner. It doesn't really taste that much like ketchup. The flavor probably should be called sweet and tangy, because that's what it is for me. All right, you guys, that's all the time I have. If you liked my reaction, hit that like button. And if you want to stay up to date with my videos, go hit subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.